The city of Zagreb, located in Croatia, is a vibrant and charming place offering a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Croatia's capital city Zagreb is a major metropolis that serves as the political, economic, and cultural center of the country. Zagreb boasts beautiful landscapes with picturesque architecture, charming cobblestone streets, and lush green parks. The city is divided into two main parts, Gornji Grad and Donji Grad, each with its own special charm. In recent years, Zagreb has become a popular tourist destination due to its diverse offerings. Travelers can explore historical sites such as St. Mark's Church with its famous colorful tiled roof, or visit the majestic Zagreb Cathedral. The city also offers numerous museums and art galleries for those who want to delve into its rich cultural heritage. For travelers looking to immerse themselves in the local culture, Zagreb hosts various festivals throughout the year showcasing traditional music, dance, and food. The Dolak market is a must-visit for food lovers, where they can sample local delicacies and fresh produce. In terms of tourist infrastructure, Zagreb boasts a wide range of accommodation options to suit every budget. From luxury hotels to cozy guesthouses and even trendy hostels for tourists, there is something for everyone. Whether you are interested in history, art, or simply immersing yourself in the vibrant atmosphere, a visit to Zagreb promises an unforgettable experience.